According to China EV Post, China's power battery installations reached 59.2 gigawatt-hours in October, a 51% increase year-on-year and an 8.6% rise from September. CATL led the market with 25.32 gigawatt-hours installed, capturing 42.78% of the market, though slightly down from September's 44% share. BYD followed with 15.82 gigawatt-hours, increasing its share to 26.73% from 24.2% the previous month. In terms of battery types, lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries dominated, accounting for 79.4% of the total installed capacity, a 75% jump year-on-year. Meanwhile, lithium ternary batteries made up 20.6% of the total, down slightly from September. China also produced 113.1 gigawatt-hours of batteries in October, with LFP batteries accounting for the majority at 89.5 gigawatt-hours. You are listening to Yuan News.